Iron is an essential mineral that plays a critical role in the body, particularly in the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Without adequate iron, the body cannot produce enough healthy red blood cells, leading to iron deficiency anemia. This condition can cause fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath, and difficulty concentrating. For those following a plant-based diet, ensuring sufficient iron intake requires careful planning, but it is entirely achievable with the right knowledge and food choices. Plant-based sources of iron are known as non-heme iron, which is different from the heme iron found in animal products. While non-heme iron is not as easily absorbed by the body as heme iron, there are several strategies to enhance its absorption. One key factor is combining iron-rich foods with sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C significantly boosts the absorption of non-heme iron, making it more bioavailable. For example, pairing a spinach salad with citrus fruits like oranges or strawberries can improve iron uptake. Similarly, adding bell peppers or tomatoes to lentil soup can have the same effect. Another important consideration is avoiding substances that inhibit iron absorption during meals. Phytates, found in whole grains and legumes, and tannins, present in tea and coffee, can reduce iron absorption. While these compounds have health benefits of their own, it's advisable to consume them separately from iron-rich meals. For instance, drinking tea or coffee at least an hour before or after eating can minimize their interference with iron absorption. Soaking, fermenting, or sprouting grains and legumes can also reduce phytate levels, enhancing iron bioavailability. Including a variety of iron-rich plant foods in the diet is essential. Some excellent sources of non-heme iron include lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, fortified cereals, pumpkin seeds, and dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. Nuts such as cashews and almonds also contribute to daily iron intake. By diversifying food choices, individuals can ensure they meet their iron needs while also benefiting from other nutrients present in these foods. Monitoring iron levels through regular blood tests is a practical approach, especially for those at higher risk of deficiency, such as menstruating individuals, pregnant women, or athletes. If dietary intake is insufficient, a healthcare provider may recommend an iron supplement. However, self-supplementation without professional guidance can lead to excessive iron levels, which may be harmful. Therefore, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation. Adopting these practices can help maintain adequate iron levels and prevent anemia while following a plant-based diet. With mindful eating and proper food combinations, it's entirely possible to meet iron requirements without relying on animal products. Beyond simply consuming iron-rich foods, understanding the broader context of a balanced plant-based diet is crucial for preventing anemia. Iron works synergistically with other nutrients, and deficiencies in these can indirectly affect iron status. For example, vitamin B12 and folate are vital for red blood cell production, and their insufficiency can lead to anemia, even if iron intake is adequate. Since vitamin B12 is not naturally present in plant foods, those following a plant-based diet should include fortified foods like nutritional yeast, plant-based milks, or cereals, or consider a B12 supplement. Protein intake is another factor to consider. While plant-based diets can provide sufficient protein, it's important to consume a variety of protein sources to ensure all essential amino acids are present. Legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are excellent protein sources that also contribute to iron intake. For instance, a meal combining brown rice and black beans not only provides protein but also enhances iron absorption due to the complementary amino acid profiles. Hydration and overall digestive health also play a role in nutrient absorption, including iron. Adequate water intake supports digestion and prevents constipation, which can interfere with nutrient uptake. Additionally, maintaining a healthy gut microbiome through fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can improve overall nutrient absorption, including iron. Probiotic-rich foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, or plant-based yogurts can further support gut health. Meal timing and frequency can influence iron levels as well. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help maintain steady iron absorption, especially for those with higher requirements. For example, someone with heavy menstrual bleeding might benefit from spreading iron-rich foods across multiple meals rather than consuming them all at once. Finally, education and awareness are powerful tools. Many people transitioning to a plant-based diet may not initially realize the importance of iron or how to optimize its absorption. Learning about nutrient interactions, reading food labels for fortified options, and staying informed about personal health needs can make a significant difference. Resources like registered dietitians specializing in plant-based nutrition can provide personalized guidance. In summary, preventing anemia on a plant-based diet involves more than just focusing on iron intake. It requires a holistic approach that includes optimizing absorption, ensuring adequate intake of synergistic nutrients, maintaining digestive health, and staying informed. By paying attention to these factors, individuals can thrive on a plant-based diet while avoiding iron deficiency and its associated complications.